So here's a really quick video of how to use the Oculus Quest in VRED. There are two different ways to do it. This is in the documents that I found. You can use the Oculus's own software or SteamVR. You can go to the view and the display settings and select Oculus Rift. I have my Oculus Quest already plugged in to my PC. You can use two ways to plug it. One of them is wireless desktop. It's a paid application. It's $20. This is an Anker cable. I also have the original Oculus Link cable, but unfortunately I don't have any USB-C inputs on my desktop. So I just bought an Anker cable. This is a bit cheaper as well, and I don't see any differences. So once I'm in, as you can see, let me take the controllers. So it's loading up. Yep. So I have two pointers. I can use both ends. And if you have used Oculus Rift, it's the exact same experience with the Oculus Rift in VRED. So I can open up, I can go in and out like this. I'm inside the car. I can show anything I want. I can go up and down like this. Pretty easy, to be honest. Let's close. So yeah, this is the first way. I can also open the tools menu and use a flashlight, for example, which is pretty interesting. As you can see, it's like a real flashlight. Pretty nice. And let's go back. So yeah, this is the first way to do things. Now I'm going to show the second way of doing things. So I'm going to change the view to Open VR HMD. This is going to stop the Rift application, and now the SteamVR is going to pop. As you can see, it's on wait. Let me pop it up. So it's on. Okay, and we are in as well. Again, it's nothing really different about using the SteamVR. It's almost the same experience, to be honest, but still you have options. So it's up to you to decide what to use. I haven't used better VR headsets, so I'm not sure if my feedback about the Quest experience is good or not, but all I can say is this: I have used Windows mixed reality headsets, and they were very, very bad. And this is, compared to those, this is much, much better. So all I can say is I can imagine like a Valve Index or the HTC Vive Pro would be really, really good. Even the Quest is pretty good with 72 Hz. It's not bad at all. So yeah, there you have it.